Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the CapCut color grading tutorial for cinematic color. So I'm going to show you the process of achieving that rich, dramatic, cinematic looks in your videos. You can start by adding your videos into CapCut. And now I'm going to just go to the adjust menu. Here you can follow my adjustment. So for the brightness, I'm going to lower it to -5 and also the contrast. And now set the saturations into 10. The sharpness, I'm going to increase it to around 20. Now click on the highlight and lower it to around -6, and shadow, let's skip that for now. And for the temperature, I'm going to increase it to around 4, and the hue -8. And then I'm going to also add some grain effects around 20, like this. And here I'm going to go into filter and then just click on the search button. In here I'm going to add the Bad Bunny filter, this one. You can adjust it to how you prefer it. I'm going to go with 70. And let's go back and add the soft effects. So click on effects, video effects. Here I'm going to just search for soft. Okay, this one's right here. And I'm going to apply it to around 10 to 15. I'm going to just go with 10. And that's it. So you'll get this cinematic color for your video. If you have more than one clip, you need to make sure that it applies to all of it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Just follow my steps to turn your clips from amateur to blockbusters in minutes. If you like this, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Also click on the thanks button. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.